Friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the issues of full screen on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat. Here in this page of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to turn on your airplane mode and you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and